Hey, thanks for checking this out. Today we're going to look at a quick audio hack that helps reduce echo for your webcam setup with stuff you already have around the house. It just so happens that during a webcam coaching session that I was having with Aly Luccari, I brought up a potential hack that could help with echo, and Aly already had it in place. Take a look. I'm more talking about the acoustics and stuff in there.
Right.
So yeah, dining room, often a lot of hard surfaces. It doesn't sound terribly echoey, but if you find that you're picking up echo and you want to make it better, it could be as simple as, this is going to be hacky, so get ready for it. But you have if you're in the dining room, you probably have a bunch of dining room tables. Grab a comforter or two, drape them over a couple of chairs to kind of create big sound dampening areas, right? So we did it.
Okay, so we washed the comforter.
Yes.
And it has yet to be moved.
That is probably why you sound pretty good in the dining room. It would be interesting to hear you without that beautiful sound dampening instrument that you have there.
Do you want me to move it really fast?
No, you don't have to do that. It's only an improvement. So I would say if you...
So if I notice it getting worse, it comes back.
I would leave it there for the duration. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah.
Like I'm already getting the shakes over it, Neil.
Bring it back if necessary. But that may be a part of why even in a dining room it sounds, you sound pretty clean in terms of echo.
Wow.
So, thank you for checking out this video. We have a lot more content on how to improve your webcam setup and get the most out of the gear that you already have. There's a bunch of drill downs in an overall video, and maybe most importantly, you can get a free live webcam coaching session via Zoom with the sign up in the description or in the cards.